What's up, everybody? We're back with another video. Welcome
Hi.
to the Ron G and Dawn's Cooking Show. That's right. You're going to hear me say show. So today, I think a couple of days ago, I don't really remember, I was online on YouTube and I was looking at some bacon stuff, and I noticed a lot of people was doing things with bacon. So asparagus, or mainly it was asparagus with pork bacon. So I went to my wife and I presented, I said, why don't we do something a little different? So we're gonna do asparagus.
Asparagus.
We are going to do turkey bacon as well as pork bacon.
Mm-hmm.
Check us out.
And we're also going to do some leeks. We went to the farmer's market today, and that's at the beginning of this video, right?
L-E-E-K-S.
Leeks.
Leeks.
Yes. We went to the farmer's market today, and I had to change because it was raining out there, and I got soaked, but this is really right after the farmer's market. I'm not sure how... We weren't sure how we were going to do this, but what I'm going to do is just cut this part off and use this bottom part to saute to put in our meals for the week, and I'll use this top part to wrap in the bacon for our vegetable wrapped bacon. And we're going to make it in the Big Boss, of course. So,
And my wife was telling me the bottom of this part right here, what you say is very...
Smell it.
Yeah, it's
very strong onions.
Very strong onions.
Yeah, so we're going to use this. I'm going to saute it up to put in our other vegetables that we're making for the rest of the week, because we're going to make a couple of vegetable dishes for the week. As you saw earlier, we got some Swiss chard over here. We got some other onions, and we have some bok choy. I have some collard greens and cabbage as well. So we're going to make all of those vegetables for the week, and this will be a good flavor to add to it. I'm going to saute this in some butter and get it nice and caramelized to go as extra flavoring in our other vegetables.
So I'm going to tell you guys what we're doing. We're going to wrap some leeks in some bacon, and we're going to use asparagus and wrap some turkey and some pork bacon in there. So here's the pork bacon that I chose.
And also we're going to clean these off, because, you know, it has a little bit of dirt in there. They're straight from the ground, so that has a little dirt in there. We cut them off from the base, and I'll just rinse these off so that we can use them.
And here is my preferred bacon, y'all. This is what I prefer. I like pepper bacon. So that is my bacon of choice. This is what I like. Hopefully you guys can see it and it's not backwards. But it's black pepper sliced bacon. The brand doesn't matter. Doesn't matter to me.
And then for me, because I don't eat
pork or beef.
I have Nature's Promise turkey bacon, uncured maple turkey bacon for mine.
Now this is new for us, guys. We never did this. And we have our toothpicks. And the reason why they're so big, because we got the small skewers. That's what we got.
Right.
And we soaked them for about a half hour.
We couldn't find the regular toothpicks, so we're using those to hold it together. And
the turkey bacon.
We're soaking them in the water so that they don't burn in the oven or in the Big Boss.
Because if you guys are trying to do this, you need to soak those toothpicks.
Yeah.
Gotta soak those things. And we soaked them for a half hour.
So I'm just wrapping this around.
Won't take me long. I can wait.
Actually, I don't even think I need to put anything on this.
That's your choice. We're doing it the way we do it.
Yeah. So you want to take the top off for me?
You need to show them that, dear.
Oh.
Oh.
So I just wrapped it around. I thought I was going to need a toothpick, but I won't need one, because I can just put it down like that in the Big Boss, and it'll hold it together.
We're going to cook all the turkey stuff first. And then after the turkey bacon is done, then we'll put the pork bacon in. That's what we're doing.
Then I'm doing my asparagus now. I took 3. I pre-boiled these a little bit in some salt water.
Tell them how long.
Just because as soon as it came to a boil, take it out. Just because I didn't want them to be too hard. But if you don't mind your vegetables being on the crunchier side, then, you know, do you. Whatever you want to do. And so then, again, I just wrapped this up. I have 3 spears in here.
It's hot in this kitchen, y'all. Ooh.
Open the top, please, Vanna Black.
I'm not a girl.
So what can we call you?
Not a girl.
Danny Black. How about that?
No. Call me who I am.
Well, that's because you're displaying.
Call me who I am.
All right. No fun. All right. So I'm going to do another one of these guys.
I thought we was using the big ones by themselves.
Well, I wanted it to be a little heftier.
Yeah, because we're hefty.
Oh.
Because we are hefty.
What you want to do? Open it up. And I'll do one more of these leeks that way because I had 4 pieces of bacon taken out. So wrap that sucker up. I'll show you one more time. I just took the leek and I just started wrapping it around.
And no seasoning. No seasoning whatsoever.
Alright. Alright, so we'll show them what it looks like on the tray. And I'm going to pop these babies in. So let's do 350 for 5 minutes and see what, I can't do it because my hands are messy. For 5 minutes and let's see what that looks like.
I need you to scoot.
Scoot.
Yeah, why did you think I can get over there with
I don't know.
with you in the way?
Do you want to prepare yours
No.
and sit them on the cookie sheet while we wait? I mean on the thingy? Alright, well let me wash my hands.
We're going to do this one at a time.
Yeah. So it's Sunday. We got our walk in this morning. Ron's having his cup of joe.
Whoever's having coffee, cheers.
Yeah. I had a cup of coffee while we were out and about. He woke me up early this morning. We went to do our hike, and it was so challenging, but the rain helped me. It started pouring while we were out there, which helped me tremendously because it was hot. There was a lot of hill action, and I was exhausted. So that helped me big time. My hair is a mess. I have it in 2 cornrows, but it got, like I said, I got drenched. So after we're done here, I'll shampoo and deep conditioner, and I'm staying inside for the rest of the day most likely. I'm at 7,819 steps for the day, and it's only, what time is it? It's only 1 something in the afternoon, so I got a long day to go, and I need to get my 10,000 steps in. I'm not worried. I'll get it at this point.
So, we're back, everyone.
We need a hot holder. I mean, woo!
She almost broke the glass, y'all.
And it would have fell on my foot too. That would have hurt so bad. All right.
Why don't you use this?
Because I was going to take the whole basket out.
You think they done?
Yeah. Because turkey bacon is already done.
True.
And vegetables don't need to be done.
True.
So, yeah. So this is what we're looking like. We put it on for 12 minutes. Ron did 6 minutes the first time, and then we came back and did it another
6
6
minutes.
minutes. So I'm taking these all off, and then we'll give it a taste. Open that bag for me, honey. Leave that one out. And I'm gonna try it. So I just cut it.
So this is what my bacon looks like, and I'm gonna do my wrap right now.
That's good. It's hot, but I'm still gonna pick it up and eat it with my hands. Mmm.
That's how mine look. I'll just show y'all once I'm done, cause I'm doing four. I'm doing 4 total. That was asparagus. Now I'm doing the leeks. You can put it down.
I just had an idea. Trying to wrap one of these chicken sausages in with the asparagus and the bacon. No?
Sure.
So I made some spinach chicken sausage this morning. And we'll wrap one of these suckers in.
I was gonna do that.
With it.
No, but I need you to take the knife out. Oh, you mean both?
Yeah.
It's my wife's concoction. So what is this again?
That's chicken sausage.
Chicken
spinach
sausage.
chicken sausage.
And we're gonna. This is already cooked already.
Alright.
I say put that for 20 minutes.
Why don't we do 10? Or 12?
15.
Okay. Alright, we're on 15 minutes.
45, 30, 35, 40, 45, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95. So.
Yes. Mm-hmm. It's good.
So we're back.
Yes. This one, how it looks like a flower or a, what is that plant? A Venus flytrap. Smells good. Alright.
That's the concoction, y'all.
And you see this one? This is the one I was laughing at. Looks like a Venus flytrap or something. See that?
Yeah, it's not sticking on there like how I wanted to, but it's alright.
Well, we didn't use the toothpicks like we were supposed to.
We were supposed to use the toothpicks, but if you want them neater, use your toothpicks.
Yeah.
But hopefully you guys
But
can.
it's all going down the hatch. Anyway.
You can see that.
Mm-hmm.
They smell great.
I'm dropping everything today. Here.
What?
You gonna try it for the people? I'll cut you a piece. Put it down. It's hot. See? It's hot. Hey, don't listen. It just came out of the pan. His mouth is steaming. You probably can't see that.
And I like my pork bacon a little crunchy. Not too much, but a little crunchy. So I like it, y'all. I like it. So today, we did a little turkey bacon action. We did a little pork bacon action. We did the leeks turkey bacon. We did asparagus with turkey bacon. And now we did it with the pork. And it tastes good to me. I've never had this before. Like I said, I had this idea. I presented it to my wife, and she said, let's do it. So we did it. Mm-hmm. And it was cool. They taste good.
It does. I ate all of mine. That was our breakfast at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. That was my breakfast. That's his breakfast.
You're missing something. Okay, she forgot, so I'll tell you.
Oh, how long it took?
She ate her leek, and she said, you want to say it now, so go ahead.
Okay. I like the asparagus with the bacon, but the leeks, cooking them in the Big Boss, maybe it wasn't cooked long enough. I'm not sure what the deal was, but they were a little slimy after cooking them. So I don't know that I would do leeks again. Maybe carrots would be nice because you get that nice sweet with the carrot and the smoky from the bacon That might be a good one to try. And and carrots are more firm, but the leeks, they did come out a little slimy after they were cooked.
So here's the deal. I just had a piece. You guys just saw me with the leek, and mine wasn't slimy. So if you try the leeks with whatever bacon of your choice, let it cook longer.
Or maybe the bacon fat helped to cook it more as well.
Whatever the theory is, mine isn't slimy, but we overcooked mine because like I said, I like my bacon a little crunchy. So take it for what it's worth. It took, for my bacon, it took 22 minutes. We probably cooking a little too long. You guys got to justify how you want it. And we did have to flip them, and we let those cook on maybe 2-3 minutes on that side. And for hers, being that the turkey bacon is already made, we only cooked it for like 12 minutes. And then that was it. And she said it was good. So, so remember, if you try turkey bacon, 10-12 minutes. You should be all right. But check your food. And for the pork bacon, we did it for 22 minutes. Again, check your food.
Yes.
And that's it for us today.
Yeah.
I think that was a win, babe. Like that.
Yes. Now I can go relax and do my hair and have a home spa day for myself.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until later. Peace.
One love, y'all.
Bye.